Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today in the morning markets were volatile, but it was volatile within a range. Nifty future, like 17,000 to 17,100. But then sometimes in the afternoon, the news came that securities transaction tax was increased for option selling from rupees 1,700 to rupees 2,100 per crore. But that fact is that for option selling, the STT was already increased from 1,700 to 5,000 rupees per crore in 2016 itself. So the traders were confused whether there is an increase or decrease. So if it is 2,100, then it is actually a decrease from 5,000. But I don't think there is any reason for government to reduce the tax. They must be increasing the tax. So it is just they put a factual error. Later, I think Finance Ministry said that they will clarify very soon. But I'm sure when the clarification comes, either they will leave the option STT at 5,000 rupees per crore as it is, or they may even increase it. I don't think that they will be reducing it. If reducing is the reason, they should have reduced it for futures also. So why should they increase for futures? Again, this is my opinion, but we will wait for clarification from Finance Ministry. So the traders were confused. And as soon as this news came, I thought it's a bearish news. So market should fall. But on the contrary, the market went up. Then once the clarification came from clarification that the clarification will come later, market started falling. The fall was really very bad. And why? Because market has already fallen yesterday so much, and today on top of which is falling, and Nifty decisively broke 17,000 and closed well below 17,000. So that is really, I would say, bulls have lost the case. So in the morning, the bulls were trying to defend 17,000. What happened in the afternoon, in addition to this STT news, European market started falling. I think now another bank issue is coming. So Silicon Valley Bank, First Republic Bank, and so many other banks, Credit Suisse, and now Deutsche Bank from Germany Bank. And the price of that stock has fallen about 13% in the European markets. And generally, European banks were downgraded by some US brokerages. So after this news, the banking stocks coming under severe selling pressure in Europe. So that has also dented the sentiment here. So it has actually added fuel to the fire, right? Now, this banking crisis in US and Europe, I do not know when it is going to end. So the things are really seems to be getting out of control, and stock markets will always react extremely for both negative as well as for positive news. So now the stock markets are reacting extremely on the negative side. For this series, we still have 3 more trading sessions, and last series closed somewhere around 17,900. Now it is 16,900 around. So that means it's a 1,000 point fall. So 1,000 point fall is a big fall, and that too happening after 3 consecutive months of a fall. So the 4th month market is falling. Nifty is falling about 1,000 points. So this is really very, very bearish. And the STT hike has come at the wrong time. At least when the markets are in a bull mode, so any increase would not have much impact. But our markets are already fragile. So FIIs keep selling. So at this time, this STT hike, I am sure many FIIs will not be happy. And the FIIs can always trade in other markets like SGX Nifty. In the morning, at least, IT stocks were in green. But in the afternoon, IT stocks also fell. IT stocks were in green because Accenture results were good. But at the end, so after this STT news, everything started falling. IT also started falling. I think it was a complete washout. Mid cap, small cap, all sector, everything was in red. The hope of revival seems to be very, very slim, but who knows? When everything is looking bad, that is when the short sellers will be having a huge profit, and they will like to book the profit that may lead to some short covering. So anyway, so we have 3 more trading sessions, and now we have come very close, about 100 point away from the series low. So this series low was 16,830. Today we are just about 100 point away. That's about 0.5% or 0.75%, and we will see Monday what happens. But the global cues are not going to be supportive for at least for another few days. So it is definitely time to be cautious. There is no doubt about it. And I did a strategy by taking a bullish view. I think now I am also in trouble. So I am just managing it by selling additional call options. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.